Now, let me share with you my vision of where I want my server to go. I think that this year I've built a great foundation for server. Like I have all of the tools I need on this server to be self-sufficient. Like I have a Notion replacement, I have a Google Drive replacement, I have monitoring tool replacement, hosting tool replacement, video downloading replacement, PDF, like everything I needed is on that server. Now, I see it becoming a little bit more autonomous. That is a vision I had even 1 year back, that having control over all of this, over your data at the very least, owning data, owning software you use, is giving you an amazing power to then connect it to some kind of ecosystem. For example, OpenClaw ecosystem. So I could have this server that is, well, it have everything. It's like a virtual PC with all of these different even softwares that needs to be installed on a PC. And I have my agent running there using all of that software in crazy capacity. Like it can save basically terabytes of images. It can do infinite amount of API calls. It can extend functionality of anything. That is something that all companies would limit you on. In AI era, freedom is a currency. AI is increasingly using all of the resources. Like as a human being, you cannot create that much, you cannot click that much. But AI that runs 24/7, especially if it's multiple agents, it's going to be heavily utilizing resources. And the bottleneck is going to be how much are you ready to pay for those SaaS tools that your AI is going to use. Because agents themselves are not a bottleneck. I have an open cloud deployment that I can replicate infinite amount of times. I can have like whatever my server can handle, but I have 12 cores. So I don't know, I can run maybe 20 agents without problems. So running agents that work for you 24/7 isn't a bottleneck. Configuring them and making them smart, it's a question of time. That's something that is happening already. We just need to accept the future where agents are going to be smart, and the more of them you run, the more powerful ecosystem you are building. And a bottleneck, and you don't need to pay for that. Like, yeah, they are hosted, all open close and agents, but if you self-host it, it's not a bottleneck to host them. Next bottleneck are tools that are used. And this is getting solved by a server. I see all of these agents are building an ecosystem for themselves. There is this self-reliable tools on a server, and agents, it's a shared ecosystem between all of the agents. And with every agent, he would be improving this ecosystem. He would be extending open source software, hosting more software, saving some data, configuring something, producing something, deploying something. And if one agent does it in a shared ecosystem, that's going to benefit the whole ecosystem. And that is my big vision for next year. I already have a Discord server where I have like different channels, and I group them by projects with multiple agents. So what I want to do is to have different agents for my different projects and purposes in life. For example, I have one agent called PR agent that is just every week it researches me where can I go to like go out, some kind of hackathon, meetup, or something. For example, this weekend I went to hackathon because OpenClaw found me a hackathon and signed me up. Like I asked him to sign me up, but well, he found it. Like I wouldn't spend my time on that just like that. And it's happening on autopilot. Every week I get like a list of things I can attend to have fun. I have another agent that is helping me with the research. I'm writing book right now, which I do write myself, but having doing research for existing papers um, is a quite long process. So it just monitors what papers have been released every month, and it gives me like a summary. All right, here is how AI in education evolved in academic sense. Like here are what papers have been released this month, and here is a short summary of what every paper means. It's just incredible. I want to have an agent that does social media management for me, social media management for my companies. So crazy possibilities. I'm super excited of what next year of self-hosting gonna bring me, because next year is going to be agentic, and I hope you're excited as well. I hope that gives you some good base for starting your own self-hosting journey. And if you need any help, just hesitate to reach me out, help you out. And thanks for watching this video today. And have a nice year ahead. See you.